Okay, here are a few central air conditioning units at a commercial building near my town. Here is a road unit. And this place I've actually filmed at before, but I thought I'd get a revisit video of all these units. But yeah, there's three Ruud units here. And since I was here last, one of the Lennox Merits from over there, there were two Lennox Merits over there, but one of them's been relocated to over here. This unit is just turned on. It startled me. See, it's a 510 from 2022. Has a Copeland stroll compressor. But yeah, just started up. And then here's this Lennox Merit unit. Yeah, this unit was literally like right over there, but it was relocated to right here. And I think this is a 3.5 ton from 2013. It's either a 3.5 ton or a 4 ton. And this unit has a Copeland stroll compressor, I think. But yeah, these units are located at a commercial building near my town, and this is actually at a stuff building place. This unit's pretty quiet. But yeah, not sure if the other units have been running, but yeah. And I believe these Ruuds are 3-phase units. Here are 3-phase units. But yeah, these three Ruud units actually replaced a just one carrier package unit before. But yeah. But yeah, just thought I'd get a quick video of these 4 units. Anyways, thanks for watching.